the 2025 BMW X3 M50 isn't just a luxury SUV. It's practically a performance beast in disguise. Let's dive into what makes this one of the most exciting SUVs of the year. BMW's X3 lineup has always balanced luxury with practicality, but the M50 trim takes it to a whole new level. With updated technology, a bold new look, and a powerful engine under the hood, this isn't your average family SUV. If you're curious about what makes the 2025 X3 M50 so special, stick around. In a crowded market of luxury compact SUVs, it's tough to stand out. The Mercedes-Benz GLC, Audi Q5, and Porsche Macan all offer great features. So, how does the X3 M50 measure up? Let's start with performance. The X3 M50 packs a turbocharged inline-six engine with 393 horsepower. Combine that with a mild hybrid system for better efficiency and responsiveness, and you've got an SUV that's as thrilling on the highway as it is practical around town. And yes, it's all-wheel drive, so handling absolutely solid. Now, the design. BMW's taking cues from their iX electric SUV, giving the X3 M50 a sharper, more futuristic look. It's a little bigger than before too, offering a sportier yet practical vibe. Inside, you'll find a curved display powered by the iDrive 9 system, featuring augmented reality navigation that's as functional as it is fun. And speaking of price, the X3 M50 starts at $64,100. That's a hefty sum, but for the power, luxury, and tech you're getting, it's a compelling choice. Plus, BMW might drop plug-in hybrid and performance variants soon, making this lineup even more tempting. The 2025 BMW X3 M50 combines style, power, and advanced tech in one sleek package. Whether you're after performance, comfort, or cutting-edge features, this SUV is ready to deliver. If you're loving the sound of this, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more car reviews.